Good morning, traders. This morning bullish rally reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Intelligent trader understands this is not the place to buy. The only good thing that will fly out here is a powerful sell-off to the downside. If price continues selling off to this level, it's a beautiful thing. If not, and sell-off stops here, it's a problem. Every single time intelligent trader looks at the trade, lower is better. Every single time, power is trader's friend. So if sell-off ends up staying here, if it's a very weak pullback, it's not a good news. If price collapses to this level, it's a beautiful thing. As we discussed with students, shorts played out before market open. And that's continuous bearish pullback that came from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. So if I convert this chart to 5, this is a system in front of you. Doesn't matter what chart you trade. Is it range bars? Is it tick bars? Not the place to buy, the place to monitor for reversal. So if sell-off continues to this level, much better. Here, even better. If price remains stuck here, it's not a good news. Again, we need to break through this level and move lower. This is the key. So this is little day trading chart, but exact same thing playing out on Apple. Exact same thing playing out on majority of the stocks. Exact same thing playing out on Google. It's a mess. Bullish rally overextended. Bearish pullbacks are weak. Market stock in correction. It's black and white. The chart on Google identical to any chart you trade this morning on S&P. So when you can trade single price, when you can trade pure price, you can trade anything you choose with Alpha Fibonacci system. It's black and white. So here's the system in overnight session on the long. This is where bullish rally started from. Intelligent trader understands this is not the place to short. Short entry never triggered. The only option to buy from. That's it. And as we discussed with students pre-market open, very clear shorts played out. Lower is better. Much, much better. With stopping here, not a good thing. That's it. And if you trade 15 minutes, of course you can. Move to the downside in a progress. But buyers remain fully in charge. Intelligent trader knows that. Lower is better. So with a single blink, intelligent trader looking on institutional chart every single morning, reminding himself, herself, the importance of the system, the start of the war, the announcement of the war, but institutional buy zone is present, overriding bearish news, overriding catastrophic global event. When bullish rally is skyrocketing from institutional buy zone, 350 points plus, not the place to buy, the place to monitor for a pullback. Bearish correction on institutional chart is the event this morning. But again, with a system you knew this hours in advance. With a system you knew this days in advance. Not the place to buy the market. Lower is better. So currently Bitcoin event is on in Miami, or the event just finished. So how is it possible Bitcoin selling off? This was another event in Miami. Every single time reversal zone is reached, price selling off. And again, with Alpha Fibonacci System you knew this far in advance. Let's go back a year ago on Bitcoin, shall we? If an S&P is stuck, let's take a look on Bitcoin to a year ago, March 2021. Bullish rally overextended. Intelligent trader understands everything depends on this support. Crawl is on, pain is on. Vertical bullish rally coming to an end. Global convention in Miami is on, but Bitcoin selling off 65%. Shocking for those who are not trading the system. Predictable for alphas who obey the rules. Not the place to buy Bitcoin. This is a place to buy Bitcoin from. This is exact same thing we're monitoring this morning on S&P. Identical event. Lower is better. If price is stuck here, not a good news. If price is here, it's an excellent news for a brilliant trader. This is what played out on Bitcoin until next sell-off. And when Bitcoin crashes another 60% again and again and again, it's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, not the place to buy Bitcoin, the place to sell Bitcoin from. So when Bitcoin selling off until this level and buyers step in instantly in a lot of pain, it's extremely limited trading range because reversal zone is so close. So this is your trading range on Bitcoin. It's a bearish correction. That's it. Sell-off on Bitcoin is powerful. On S&P it's not. That's a problem. Buyers already here. Market is being bought. As we discussed with students, it's extremely clear. Pullback is weak, which creating aggressive market conditions. Intelligent trader understands that. So here's the software currently traders as we're discussing with students. This is the precision of the system. Price extremely high. Bearish pullback is weak. Buyers already here. Precise entry, precise stop, precise target. Extremely limited trading range. That's it. That's a crucial part that intelligent trader understands and obeys. Nothing else is possible, only this. So institutional market in bearish correction, it's creating very challenging conditions for day trader. Unless day trader was present here. This is weakness on the seller's side. Buyers fully in charge. And again, in case you missed the events in the trading room, if I take you back 2 months before the start of the war started on February 24th, February 21. This is what chart looked like. We are firm. We are extremely clear. This is where institutional orders stocked up. Longs are sitting and waiting. War or not, COVID or not. If you are trading with institutions and not against them, if you are riding institutional power, the first week of the war, you are not surprised. Vicious buying is on. You are riding the power. You are never, ever, ever trading against institutions. Vicious buying continues this morning. Market is not being sold. Market is being bought. Bearish pullback is junky on institutional chart. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs. It's a bearish correction. It is not bearish power. Black and white. That's it. And that present in front of you with a software and with a scanner. You decide what chart you want to trade. You decide what instrument. Choice is yours. No speculation, no gambling here. Market is being bought by institutions at key Alpha Fibonacci levels. No speculation, no gambling, no random shorts. That's it. Pullback is weak. Buying is on. With Alpha Fibonacci System, you are always on the right side on the market. Sellers are weak, buyers fully in charge. That's it. World is waiting for the results of the election in France. Again, if hardliner wins and France is going for Frexit, it's another hardliner in Europe. It will not be a good thing for the world. This is historical level on euro. Intelligent trader knows this. Buyers are weak on euro. But again, if I take you back on euro a year ago, this is why hedge fund manager in Switzerland trading euro with Alpha Fibonacci System. Here's April 2021. Black and white. Not the place to buy euro. But if I take you back even further to 2 years ago, how is it possible? World is in complete lockdown. Euro skyrocketing when Europe in full shutdown. The only option to buy from this level when rules are met. That's a system in front of you every single day. So this is historical level on euro. Intelligent trader monitors now. It's a historical event. But guess what? As we discussed with students, this level setting up to be broken. And here is why. So here's Euro monthly, hedge fund traders trading large time frames. This is monthly chart. This is not the end of the crash of euro. This is euro 2015-2016 with Alpha Fibonacci System. This support remains intact for the last 7 years. This support is out, 87 next. 87 broken, 60 cents next on euro. Again, historical level present in this trading room for the last 7 years. Multi-million-dollar positions do not trade little charts. Multi-million and billion-dollar positions trading long time frames. This is historical level on euro. It's the end of the minor trend. Again, being tested now. Historical months in Europe. 2 other hardliners just won the election in Serbia and in Hungary. Both Putin's supporters, both Putin's friends, completely against NATO. More confrontation in Europe is not a good thing for the world. It's not. Another hardliner winning election is not a good news for the world. So, historical level on euro is tested. Buyers are weak. So again, traders, single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs to understand. Buyers fully in charge. This is an aggressive bearish move. Look on the impulse in front of you, please. Caution. Extreme caution, please. Look on the impulse on this chart. And that's a crucial critical part. Crawl to the downside is on. There is no other option on this chart. When the bold red line is present, your only option to short from. But as you're witnessing, it's an extreme crawl. This defines weakness. I keep emphasizing weakness on the seller's part. So it's simplicity of the system. It's a bold red line. It's never an option to buy. The only option to exit your long and monitor for short. We discussed we're interested only in powerful bearish pullback to the downside. Price struggles, price crawls. This remains key moment. Intelligent trader understands very clearly why. If we remain stuck here in bearish weakness, it's not a good news. Again, software projected on different charts, trades playing out on very different charts. I can project software on any chart I choose. That's it. We're stuck with bearish weakness. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs to understand why. We're stuck between these two key levels to the downside. Lower is better. Sell-off and crash is a beautiful thing. If not, and we remain stuck here, trading will be extremely limited, extremely choppy. But this shows ultimate precision on both longs and shorts. But again, as we're discussing with students, shorts remain extremely weak. Shorts remain extremely limited compared to buyers. Buyers domineering this market since the start of the war. This is weakness. This is not strength to the downside. So again, this is simplicity of the system. This is purity of the system. You are never buying the markets at the bold red line. You are never wasting your time on junk indicators, because if Goldman traders do not do that, why in the world do you? If JP Morgan traders do not chase cheap indicators, why in the world do you? You trade only pure price, and when you trade pure price, you can trade anything you choose. The only difference, risk management and trade hold time. The only reason trading room is open, so you can see precision and power of the software in the live markets. There is no speculation. This is precise Alpha Fibonacci system with software for NinjaTrader 8. So trader who took this trade right now, adjusting trail very close, because this is your critical key target. But again, you witness to the upside, price is flying. To the downside, price is crawling, one step at a time. Every single time it confirms weakness on the seller's side. Weakness. And when stopped moved outside of break-even, trader who trades more than 3 lots in an excellent shape. Trader who trades single and double lot size is completely out. And if price reverses again and again and again from this level, this is what plays out 85% of the time. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate precision during very challenging market conditions. So if you want to trade with ultimate precision, I look forward working with you. There is no speculation. This is rule-based Alpha Fibonacci strategies only. I keep developing other strategies and I keep teaching you core strategies on our website. So when you come to the website and you decide to join us in the trading room, you can always request the invitation where you can see the system and the software in the live markets. And simply review all it shares on the website. If you're done chasing indicators, if you're done being majority, if you want to become top 1%, I look forward to working with you. I will be teaching you exact same system I've been teaching to traders globally in live online classes in US and more than 50 countries who are trading futures, stock, Forex, Bitcoin, crypto, options on any account size by traders of all levels. So please listen to students' podcasts as traders from all over the world sharing what they trade and how. View students' performance in thousands and thousands of emails I receive. It never gets old to see what's possible. You can trade Ethereum by complete beginner trader Pablo, or you can trade options, as Richard even shares this morning, with 100% success rate, or you can trade futures, or you can trade crypto, or you can trade S&P. Anything you choose. Choice is yours. All you have to do is obey the rules. And when you do, this is success rate you trade with. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more. Simply choose from option appropriate for you. It's all on our homepage. Private mentoring, I have only one spot available. Private mentoring, $5,000 in savings, includes lifetime system for all platforms or lifetime software for Ninja 8 with live trading room, with videos, with modules, with critical key live group classes. Second most popular option is a group course, which includes all the other options and $3,000 in savings. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply click on Contact Us section 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much for spectacular morning. It's been my joy and pleasure being here with you. As again and again and again, Price reminding you to the tick, precision, simplicity and power of Alpha Fibonacci software and system in the live markets on any instrument you choose to trade.